Insurance laws, especially auto insurance under New York statute, is not easy to understand for a common man. Even accident lawyers like Michaels and Samilak too agree about the complexity of insurance clauses like Insurance Law Section 5102. To make it comprehensive and easy to understand, we have created a summary of how it works for our Syracuse area clients. In order to understand how TH insurance policy works, one must know the accident could involve one vehicle or more than one vehicles. The Insurance Law Section 5102 defines the nature and parameter of claims applicable clearly. Some of the terms used under the Insurance Law Section 5102 are explaining for the viewer's benefit. Collision insurance: if the owner of the car has collision insurance, which is optional, then the insurance provider will have to pay for the repair cost or pay the replacement cost if the car is totally written off in case of an accident. If there is no collision insurance on the vehicle, then there is no coverage for car damage. No fault insurance: this clause covers expenses for medical treatment and lost income due to the injuries suffered in the accident. No fault insurance covers both the driver and the passengers, regardless of whether the driver was at fault. The maximum coverage, which includes lost income and medical care, is $50,000 per person. The lost income has a time limit condition of 3 years after the accident for paying the claims, whereas for paying the medical claims there is no such time period bonding. The two types of claims are easy to apply, but you need a car accident attorney to fight your bodily injury claim whether you are in Syracuse or in New York. Body injury insurance: the insurance coverage under Insurance Law Section 5102 defines the body insurance as pain and suffering compensation, as well as compensation for any medical expenses and lost income not covered by no-fault insurance. To claim compensation, the onus lies on the passenger to prove that the driver was at fault causing the injury. The Section 5102 specifically defines the term serious injury for claims purposes. However, the amount of insurance available for the passenger depends upon the amount of insurance purchased for the vehicle. But it has a minimum and maximum ceiling, with $25,000 at the lowest and $50,000 at the highest in the New York state. Supplemental underinsured motorist insurance: if you suffer serious injuries and the cost coverage is more than the policy limit provided to the car you were traveling, then you must look to your own insurance service provider for additional coverage. This is called supplemental underinsured motorist insurance or supplemental underinsured motorists insurance coverage. The supplemental underinsured motorists insurance covers the additional expenses and cost incurred due to an accident. The mentioned clauses also applies in the multi-vehicle accident cases, but with some complexities. Property damage insurance: in case of an accident involving two vehicles and the vehicle which has collision insurance, then the owner can claim repair or replacement cost from the insurance service provider. The owner of the no-fault vehicle can also state claim directly from the at-fault vehicle insurance provider. The advantage of such a claim against at-fault vehicle insurer is that no deductible is withheld. Whereas if you apply under your own policy's collision insurance coverage, they may withhold a deductible up to $500, but your insurer is bound to return the deductible as and when the full cost of damage is recovered from the at-fault vehicle insurance provider. It is advisable to make direct property damage claim against the at-fault car's insurance provider than against your own insurance provider. The no-fault insurance, body injury insurance and supplemental underinsured motor insurance, as explained in the single vehicle accident 2 covers for the multi-vehicle accident cases. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for future updates.